Hey everyone! Quick question. Have you ever learned a new English word and then forgot it the next day?
Oh, yes, all the time. I can remember 10 new words in the morning, and by evening, poof, gone.
Exactly. It's so frustrating, right? But today, we're going to talk about how to remember new words easily and actually keep them in your brain.
Yes, we're going to share simple, fun, and practical tips that really work, so you don't have to forget new words anymore.
Welcome back to our podcast, everyone. I'm Emily.
And I'm Alex. Hi.
In today's episode, we'll talk about how you can learn new words faster and remember them longer.
We'll share real examples, easy techniques, and some fun ways to make learning words less stressful and more enjoyable.
Even if you've tried before and failed, this episode is for you. By the end, you'll have practical tools to remember new words and use them in real life.
Before we start, don't forget to follow, subscribe, and share this podcast with your friends who are learning English too.
Yes, sharing is caring, and it really helps us create more content for you. Okay, Alex, first tip, start with small groups of words. Don't try to learn 50 words in one day. That's too much.
Exactly. For example, learn 5 to 10 words a day. Small groups are easier to remember.
Yes, and you can group words by theme. For example, food words, travel words, or emotions.
I remember. Last week I learned 5 words about emotions: happy, sad, excited, nervous, relaxed. I wrote them on sticky notes and put them on my desk.
Perfect. And every time you see them, your brain repeats them. That's called visual learning.
Next tip, use new words in sentences. Don't just memorize the word.
Yes, for example, instead of just learning the word excited, say, I am excited to listen to this podcast.
That's so meta. But yes, using words in sentences helps your brain remember the context.
Exactly. Context is key. Words become alive when you use them in real situations.
Okay, tip 3, repetition. Our brains need repetition to remember things.
Yes, look at your new words several times a day. Read them in the morning, write them in the afternoon, and speak them in the evening.
Even better if you say them out loud. Your brain remembers sounds better than just reading.
And don't worry if you forget sometimes. That's normal. Repeating again helps memory grow. Tip 4. Connect words to your life. Make personal connections.
For example,
If you learn the word breeze, think about something you like to do to relax. Watch a movie, listen to music, or take a walk.
oh yes, I learned the word delicious by thinking about my favorite pizza. Every time I eat pizza, I remember the word.
Exactly. Your brain loves stories and personal connections.
Tip 5, flashcards. You can make paper cards or use apps like Anki or Quizlet.
Write the word on one side and the meaning or a sentence on the other side. Then test yourself.
And you can review them anytime, on the bus, in a coffee shop, even waiting in line.
Yes, little practice moments add up to big memory gains.
Tip 6, practice with friends. Don't just study alone.
Yes, you can teach your friends new words, quiz each other, or just chat using new words.
I remember I learned the word nervous by explaining it to my friend. Teaching helps your brain remember better.
Absolutely, and it makes learning fun, not boring. Tip 7. Listen and read in English every day. Songs, podcasts, stories, or videos.
Yes, hearing words in real situations helps you remember them naturally.
Even 5 to 10 minutes a day can make a huge difference.
I have a story. Last year, I tried to learn 30 words a day. It didn't work. I forgot almost everything.
Classic mistake.
Yes. Then I started learning 5 words a day, wrote sentences, used flashcards, and practiced with friends. 1 month later, I could remember almost all the words.
See, small steps plus repetition plus real-life practice equals success. Okay, Alex, next tip, visualize words. That means create pictures in your mind for new words.
Can you give an example?
Sure. If you learn the word tower, imagine a tall tower in your city or even the Eiffel Tower.
So when I think of tower, I see a big, tall building in my mind. That helps me remember the word.
Exactly. Our brain loves images. Pictures stick better than just words on paper.
Maybe I should imagine a pizza tower for the word delicious.
That works. Personal images make it fun and memorable.
Tip 9, make word associations. Connect a new word to something you already know.
Yes, for example, if you learn the word breeze, you can think, breeze sounds like freeze, but a breeze is wind, not cold.
That's clever. Funny connections are easier to remember.
Exactly. And if you laugh while learning, your brain remembers better.
Tip 10, use words in real conversations. Don't just study them, speak them.
Even if you make mistakes?
Absolutely. Mistakes are part of learning. For example, you learned nervous. Say, I feel nervous before my English test.
Yes. And maybe your friend will correct you gently. That's learning.
Right. Speaking words in context makes them stick in your memory. Tip 11, record your voice. Say new words and sentences, then listen to yourself.
This is great for pronunciation too, and listening again helps you memory.
I tried this yesterday. I recorded 10 new words, listened on my way to work, and remembered almost all of them.
Exactly. It's like your brain practices while you're doing something else. Tip 12. Make a story with your new words.
Oh, like a mini story in English.
Yes. For example, if you learned happy, nervous, excited, tired, you can make a story. I am happy because today I will travel. I am nervous about the flight, but excited to see the city. After traveling all day, I am tired, but happy.
That's fun, and I remember the words because they're a part of the story.
Exactly. Stories create meaning. Your brain loves meaning.
Tip 13, turn learning into a game.
Yes, you can use apps, flashcard games, or even make a point system. Every word you remember equals 1 point.
I love points. Or challenge a friend. Whoever remembers the most words wins a prize.
Yes, gamifying learning makes it fun and keeps you motivated. I want to share a story from one of our listeners. Her name is Maria. She struggled to remember words for months.
What did she do?
She started learning just 3 words a day, wrote sentences, used flashcards, and made silly stories. 1 month later, she could use 90% of her new words in conversation.
Wow, that's amazing. Proof that small, consistent steps really work.
Remember, friends, it's not about learning hundreds of words at once. It's about learning a few words well and using them.
Yes, every word you remember is a success. Even 1 word a day adds up to 365 words in a year.
Exactly. Patience, consistency, and fun make your vocabulary grow naturally.
A few extra quick tips before we finish today. 1. Label things in your house. See a chair or table and remember the word. 2. Keep a small notebook for new words and review daily. 3. Teach someone else. Explaining words helps you remember. 4. Use sticky notes everywhere. Bathroom mirror, fridge, laptop.
Simple but very effective. The more you see, hear, say, and write a word, the stronger it sticks. Alex, here's a fun tip. Group words by sound or rhyme.
How does that help?
Well, words that sound similar are easier to remember together. For example, cat, hat, bat, mat.
Oh, so when I remember cat, I'll likely remember hat and bat too.
Exactly. Our brains love patterns, and rhymes make learning playful and musical.
Tip 15. Connect words with emotions.
Yes, your brain remembers emotional experiences better. For example, if you learn happy, think about a time you felt really happy.
Oh, so feeling the emotion helps me remember the word better. That makes sense.
Exactly. Every word you connect with real feelings becomes part of your memory forever. Tip 16. Word of the day challenges. Learn one word really well each day.
Yes, use it in as many sentences as you can. Even text your friends with it.
Exactly. For example, today's word could be adventure. Text your friend, I had an adventure today.
It's small, simple, but very effective. And fun too. Tip 17. Learn opposites together.
Yes, if you learn hot, also learn cold, big and small, fast and slow.
Oh, that's clever. The brain remembers words better when it has context or comparison.
Exactly, and it doubles your vocabulary without extra effort. Tip 18. Create mind maps.
Mind maps? How does that work?
Write a central word in the middle of a page and connect related words around it. For example, food in the center, and around it, apple, bread, cheese, pizza, rice.
Ah, so I can see all related words at a glance. Very visual and organized.
Exactly. It's a great tool for visual learners.
Tip 19. Move while learning.
Yes, walking, stretching, or even pacing while repeating words can improve your memory.
Really? How does that work?
Movement increases blood flow to your brain and helps your memory. Plus, it makes learning more fun.
So dancing while learning happy is actually smart.
Exactly. Dance, sing, jump, whatever works for you. Tip 20. Review new words before bed.
Why before bed?
Because sleep helps your brain process and store memories. Reading or listening to new words before sleep makes them stick better.
Oh, that's a simple habit. Even 5 to 10 minutes before sleeping can make a big difference.
Here's a story from one of our listeners, Ahmed.
Tell us.
Ahmed said he used mind maps, word of the day challenges, and reviewed words before bed. After just 2 weeks, he could use 50 new words in conversation.
Wow, that shows consistency plus smart techniques really work.
Yes, it's all about small, daily habits. Remember, learning vocabulary is not a race. It's like planting seeds. Small, steady efforts grow into a forest of words.
Yes, and every word you remember is a victory. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and enjoy the process.
Don't compare yourself to others. Everyone learns at their own pace. You are improving every single day.
So today we added even more ways to remember words. 1. Group words by sound or rhyme. 2. Connect words with emotions. 3. Word of the day challenges. 4. Learn opposites together. 5. Use mind maps. 6. Mix learning with movement. 7. Review new words before bed.
Combine these with our earlier tips, and you'll have a full toolkit to remember English words easily and naturally. Before we wrap up today, we want to remind you, learning new words is a journey, not a race. Every word you learn, no matter how small, is a step forward.
Yes, remember, your brain is amazing. It can remember so many words if you give it time, repetition, and fun ways to learn.
Celebrate your small victories. Learned 5 words today? That's fantastic. Learned one word and used it in a sentence? Amazing!
And don't be afraid of forgetting words. Forgetting is normal. It's part of the learning process. What matters is that you keep practicing.
Exactly. Every effort counts. Every word you remember builds confidence and brings you closer to speaking English naturally.
All right, friends, that's all for today's episode on how to remember new words easily.
We hope you enjoyed the tips and stories, and we hope you try them in your daily English practice.
Remember, small steps, consistency, and fun make learning words easier and more enjoyable.
Don't forget to follow, subscribe, and share this podcast with your friends who are learning English.
Yes, and start today. Pick 1 or 2 new words, make a sentence, maybe even a short story, and see how much you remember tomorrow.
Keep learning, keep smiling, and remember, you can do it. Every word counts, every effort counts.
Thank you for listening. See you in the next episode.
Bye.